Ideas arise much like uninvited guests in the dead of night. Pay too much heed to them, and they begin to exert dominance, transforming into the owners of your consciousness, ultimately entrapping you. You permit your psyche to steer your life's direction. Although the mind seems powerful, this power is given by you. The real power lies with you because you can survive without the mind, whereas the mind is entirely reliant on you. Your heart radiates a light in the universe. Don't let your mind constantly overshadow your heart. We didn't come into this world to stay in the dark. Strive to know your inner self. Fight for your liberation. This is our true mission, rising above the misleading voice of the psychological mind. This voice is our real enemy, and you must let it go now. My goal is to present a straightforward technique that enables all humans to reconnect with their true selves. It's achievable. More importantly, I'm here to motivate people to accept this revelation, so they can experience it for themselves. This journey begins by re-encountering the simple feeling of being, the feeling of I, or I am. It marks a significant starting point. Simply tune into this inherent sense of being within yourself. Concentrate all your attention on the sense of existence within you. That's all you need to do. All you need is a sincere desire for freedom, openness, and readiness to cultivate inner silence, allowing the truth to enter your heart space and set you free. Pause and simply exist. Stay only with this natural sense of being, that which exists within you without effort. Just, I am, just, you are. Stay with this feeling and avoid attaching to any other thought, memory, belief, intention, or desire. They may surface, but stay mindful of them. Don't hold on to them, do nothing. Don't interact with anything at all. Whatever arises, let it be. Do not cling to anything, even your self-perception. Remain free from all entanglements, without a name, form, intention, dream, or aspiration. Don't mix or associate with anything. Stay empty. Initially, several thoughts or a surge of mental noise may arise, but that's okay. It's not negative. Allow the noise to exist, but continue to exist solely in presence. Just, I am. Don't try to silence your mind. Stay detached because that's the key. Stay in your presence. Over time, your sense of presence will solidify, making your thoughts, questions, and all noise retreat from your awareness, and you'll perceive only that presence. When you let go of everything, you'll realize what your being is. You'll not be able to express it. It won't be an experience that you can claim. The personal self, the ego, must not survive this inquiry. So, there must not be anyone who has attained or achieved anything. Without a name, without an identity, be free. Sit alone, be completely still, and envelop yourself in silence. This is my call to you. You go beyond the realm of the mind, yet you see yourself through the lens of your mind. It's apparent that the depth, magnitude, and nature of knowledge depend on the tool you use. Improve your tool, and your understanding will progress. All paths lead to the purification of the mind. An impure mind clouds the truth. A pure mind is transparent. Through the pure mind, truth becomes effortlessly and clearly visible. In the early stages, specific formal meditations or prayers may be helpful. However, for the truth seeker, there is only one type of meditation: the firm resolve not to entertain thoughts. To go beyond thoughts is meditation in itself. Begin by allowing thoughts to arise and simply observing them. Just observing calms the mind until it comes to a complete stop. Once the mind is calm, keep it quiet. Don't tire of peace, stay in it, diving deeply into its essence. First, find the stable center from which all movement originates. Like a wheel revolving around its axle, you should consistently stay at the core rather than spinning on the periphery. Whenever a thought or emotion of desire or fear arises in your consciousness, simply distance yourself from it. I'm not suggesting suppression, just withhold your attention. Engaging in a struggle creates more conflict. But when you resist nothing, no resistance arises. By refusing to participate in the game, you transcend it. Leave your mind at peace, that's all. Don't run after it. Don't give thoughts your complete attention. Don't fight against them. Don't do anything in response to them. Let them exist as they are. Your struggle against them gives them life. Simply ignore them, see through them. In the mirror of your mind, countless images appear and disappear. Recognizing that they are entirely your creations, quietly watch them rise and fall, stay conscious yet undisturbed. This state of silent observation is the very basis of yoga. You perceive the image, but you are not the image. There's no need to stop your thinking, just lose interest in it. Liberation arises from disinterest. Don't hold on, that's all. The world is filled with lures, the hooks are of your own making. Straighten your hooks, and nothing can trap you. Remember, whatever happens, happens because of my existence. Everything serves as a reminder of your being. Fully embrace the fact that existence is a prerequisite for experience. Remember that you are and simply be. Stay as the pure witness until even the act of witnessing itself dissolves into the supreme. The dissolution of the personality invariably brings profound relief, like shedding a burdensome weight. It's like washing a patterned cloth. First, the design fades, followed by the background until finally, the cloth is white again. Personality gives way to the witness, then the witness disappears, and pure consciousness remains. The cloth was white at the start and will be white in the end. The patterns and colors just manifested for a while. I'm calling you back to your essence. All I ask is for you to turn your attention inward, towards yourself, into the depths of your being. By carefully observing your existence, your thoughts, and emotions, you free yourself from their hold and go beyond. Your personality dissolves, leaving only the witness. Then you even transcend the witness. Don't ask how this happens. Just seek within yourself.